Good morning, everyone. Let's start our second part of your unit number 4, marketing and sale, that is your customer and consumers. Now in this part we shall continue with the types of customer which is found in a market. So there were five kinds of main types of customers found in a market. That is your first one is your ready to buy customer. Second one is your potential customer. Third one is impulse buying customer. And fourth and fifth one is your sales and discount customer, as well as repeat or loyal customer. So these were the five kinds of customer or five types of customer we can found in the market. Now first one, that is your ready to buy customer or need based customer. What it means? Such type of customer are often driven by specific need, that they are having the proper need of a product to buy that, or the urgency of the product. They had urgency of buying the product. So that is, they at least have an idea of regarding what kind of product they have to buy, or what are their basic needs. So according to the basic or prior knowledge, or having some of the things they had to purchase, is known as ready to buy customer, or needs to buy or need based type of customer. Now at the customer is in need, the salesperson or the service provider has to find out what the specific requirement is, how to meet it. Such as example, we can say as a salesperson should handle the situation in the best possible way in order to gain customer confidence, so the customer become the repeated consumers or the customers. Clear? Means that type of customer who are having the knowledge what to buy the product, which kind of product they have to buy, and what are the different needs the customer wants, are known as ready to buy customer or need based customer. Our second types of customers are known as potential customer. That kind of potential customer who are able to buy, or who are having that much of amount or that much of money to buy the purchase, or to purchase the product, known as potential customer. Now they are always possible that these types of customer are simply gathering the information or doing the window shopping. Firstly, they will get the information or do window shopping to know more about their product, and after that these kinds of customers are not always to be hurry in purchase of any goods. Means they are not in very rush or hurry to purchase the goods, particular goods. So these types of customer are potential customer. They only want to know the which kind of product it is, whether it is a good product or not, its key feature or positive features of the product. After that it helps to keep them in interest and then make the purchase of the product. And finally, after wondering all these things, these types of customer would buy the product. Means they are liable, they are in need of that product, but they have firstly to survey or to get the information for their own product. So these types of customers are also known as wandering customer, may be a big in number in a visit to a departmental store, while at the same time they make the small percentage in sales. Third one, that is your repeat customer or loyal customer. These kinds of customer who are repeatedly going to purchase from the same shop or for the same kind of product. Their taste or preferences would not be changed till if there is a good kind of products are made for them, or if they are very satisfied with the salesperson. Clear? Means a salesperson or a product which are satisfying to the customer will pay or will purchase that particular product or a services many number of times. So they are known as real or a repeat type or a loyal type of customer who only buys the same kind of product from the same area. Clear? And the fourth one is your sales and discount type of customer. Such type of customer only went to buy the product when there is a discount or sale in the products, such as the branded products are having such a discount or sales in their product. At that time only you can find these kinds of customers going to buy the product. So these types of customers are known as sales and discount type of customer. Clear? They will generally buy from malls, big departmental store, big bazaar, or they are mainly settled in a metropolitan cities or other cities or other towns in our country. So at this type of situation, the sales and discounts is much more matter to the customer while purchasing the product or a services. Last one is your impulse buying type of customer, that is known as these customers make purchasing decision only upon their whims or an impressive sale presentation, such as by a skilled salesman. They will only buy according to the salesperson, whatever the salesperson will describe the about the product or services. If the salesperson would convince the purchaser, then only they will buy. So these types of customer are known as impulse buying type of customer. These customer are also take decision on the spot for the some reason that product seems too good to them at that point or other time, no need to based upon. So these segments of customer are those to whom the store will always like to serve. There is nothing more excited to assist an impulse type of shopper in a market. And these types of customer or impulse type of customers are very respondent and very favorable to our sales presentation or a recommendation. These kind of purchaser are generally based on recommendation of any of the product. They generally buy the product, only those product which are recommended by the sales person. So this was the types of customers we found in a market. Thank you.